Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by sorting and prepping plastics because contamination ruins recycling batches. First, check the resin code and separate plastics into like groups. This prevents incompatible melts. Once done, rinse containers to remove food and oil. Even small residues matter. Remove caps and paper labels if your facility requires it, and flatten bulky items or cut them into manageable pieces so they fit into sorters and machines more reliably. This speeds the next stage and reduces. Now you move on to cleaning and size reduction so the plastic can be processed evenly. Use warm water and a mild detergent for greasy containers. Mechanical washers help with large volumes. Once clean, feed pieces into a shredder and aim for 1/2 inch to 1 inch flakes to ensure uniform heating and melting. After shredding, make sure the flakes are dry. Moisture causes steam defects in melt processes and attracts contaminants, so drying prevents quality loss in the recycled output. Finally, you melt and reform the cleaned flakes into usable material. This is where resin-specific temperatures and filtration matter. Heat each resin type to its recommended range, then filter out contaminants and extrude the melt into pellets or directly into molds for new products. Once formed, cool and size the output to specification. If the final product shows discoloration, fragility, or off-gassing, troubleshoot by verifying temperature control and rechecking for cross-resin contamination.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.